Good day everyone, and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. In this video you'll learn how to use Submagic AI to edit videos automatically with captions, emojis, highlights, and a viral style formatting. If you create videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or short form content in general, Submagic AI can save you hours of editing time. Today I'll show you exactly how Submagic AI works, how to upload a video, customize captions, and export a finished video ready to post. This is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial. Alright, and now, before we begin, let us talk about what this service is. So Submagic AI is a AI-powered video editor designed specifically for short-form content. Submagic automatically generates subtitles, adds emojis and emphasis, highlights keywords, formats videos for vertical platforms. You don't need editing skills, the AI does most of the work for you. And now, who is this Submagic AI for? So it's perfect for you if you make talking head videos, record podcasts or interviews, create educational content, or post daily shorts or reels. If your content relies on spoken words, Submagic is extremely effective. Alright, so now we are ready to create our account. I actually don't have one, so let us create one together. So in the home screen, you just tap on try for free. And in here you have a choice, as you can see, to sign up with your Google account, which is really cool. So let us sign up. Okay, now as you can see, we are welcome to board. So now if you wish to start more easily, you can choose either of these presets right here. So pretty much the service asks you, what do you want to do? How do you wish your first project to look? So for example, what do you want to do? So say you want to auto edit. If you look to do that, then press on this. If you want captions, press on this. So depending on your use case, you can. I'm just going to skip this and let us start from the scratch. All right, as you can see, this is a little tutorial. Let us close that. And this is pretty much our service. So this is the dashboard and where all the magic will happen. All right, and as you can see, this same interface, the quick start, as they call it, actually comes back. So now, guys, let us talk about the interface. So just like I said, if you wish to use presets for a specific purpose, you can just choose them. Then what else do we have? We can create and generate the thumbnails. This is a different service. We have integrations kit and presets. Okay, cool. So now, how do we begin? Let us, for example, choose the generate captions, this one. And now, as you can see, you need to upload a video to generate the captions. So you can either upload from your PC, phone, or your Google Drive. Great, let us begin. All right, as you can see, now what do we have? We can choose what's going to be the style of our pretty much pop-up subtitles. So I will just choose, which one? Should I just take Tracy? Let's try Tracy. So as you can see, the video length is 9 seconds, and let us just play it back, even if you have zero music experience. So as you can see, pretty nice. And I'm there just adjusting my stuff, even if you have zero music experience. It also adjusts and syncs the text with my voice pretty well, which is nice, impressive. And now, guys, if you wish to remove the watermark, of course, you will have to buy a subscription if you wish. If not, let us just now choose which, for example, aspect ratio you want. So in my case, the video is already recorded as a landscape, pretty much widescreen video, so I'm just going to leave it as original. You can also crop it if you wish, flip it or replace, and then we can export. So let us export, choose the frame rates. As you can see, it's the same. It's just 2K, 60 FPS with captions. All right, and now export. All right, exporting video. Now we can just wait. Okay, so there you go. There's our video. Now we can actually download it, as you can see. There you go. Just press on download. You can also copy the link to it or share it. So that's for the captions generating. Let us check out something else. And now let us try the AI auto edit. So So as you can see, we can just choose a template and then continue. Let us continue. Oh, we need a template. All right, let's choose Ella. All right, and now choose the video from your computer, as always. All right, the video is uploaded, and look, now we have also, once again, if we want to do a multi-speaker theme or translate, then press on Create AI Edit, and let us see what's it going to do. So we have 60 seconds to wait, approx. Let's wait a bit. All right, and here's our video. You can once again choose the style of your pretty much captions, and then you can also edit them if you wish. There you go. So you can, as you can see, adjust every single piece of text, which is cool. And then you can also play it back and see what it looks like. All right, as you can see, this is the captions that I have. Pretty nice. Wait, are they? Yeah, they are in the same spot. I was thinking they were kind of different in different spots, popping out in different spots, but no. But anyway, this is it, guys. Now you can just choose the caption position, right? So you can just adjust this. And if you wish to maybe make it in the top, or I mean, usually people put them in the bottom right here. And then if you play them, as you can see now, they're in the bottom. So you can choose where they are located. And then you can also work with audio. You can, for example, clean audio. I'm not really sure what this does. It's probably like, I guess, the removing of the unnecessary sounds, like noise removal or something like that. You can also adjust the volume. Let me actually improve the volume by a bit more, because of the original video from the phone that I recorded is kind of, yeah, it doesn't have much of a volume to it. So you can adjust the volume, start from, fade music, etc., etc. AI tools. What do we have here? Clean audio. What else? Remove bad takes. That's pretty cool. Also, as you can see, a premium function. And you can also remove the silences, which is nice. All right, there you go. Remove silences. And now our video, as you can see, 37 seconds. It was 40. And now, as you can see, it's not going to have the silences anymore. It's pretty much the parts of the video where I wasn't talking, and it removes them for you. Instead of doing this by yourself in the video editor, you can just let AI do this. All right, and now let's just export like this. Choose the resolution, frame rate. Let's just do 60 with captions and export. There you go. Now we can just wait. Okay, exporting the video. Even though I set it to 60 FPS, for some reason it defaults to 30. I think it's possibly because I don't have a subscription board. That's probably the case. So that's how you do this. And now, as you can see, it also added the our AI description, which is pretty nice. So the video is originally about how to, it's a tutorial that I've made about how to add friends on Clash Royale, as you can see. So, and now it actually analyzed the text, what I'm talking about, and actually added the description for us and also some hashtags. Nice, that's pretty neat. So this is the video, as you can see, 37 seconds. Now you can just go ahead and download it to your computer. There you go. There's me downloading it. 19 megabytes. The download is complete. Pretty neat. So that's it, guys. This is how it's done. And this is how you use the Submagic AI to create clean, engaging, captioned videos in minutes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And guys, see you in the next one, like always.